Chapter 10 Nobel Laureates Learning Objectives 1. To learn about the influence of Bertha on peace. 2. To understand children's rights. Warm up. Child rights. What rights do they need? Match the rights to the stories. John had to go to war when he 9. Malala could not go to school because she was a girl. Sarita has to go work in a brick family. Hope was stranded in the street with no food. Rukshana was discriminated against because she was a Muslim. Sanjay had jaundice, but he couldn't go to the hospital. Right to health, right to peace, right to no labor, right to culture, right to standard of living, right to education. The Nobel Prize is widely considered the world's most prestigious award. It has been bestowed to people and organizations every year since 1901 for achievements in physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, peace, and since 1968, economics. It is a legacy of Sweden's Alfred Nobel 1833 to 1896. 10 December is Nobel Day, both in Sweden and in Norway. For the prize winners, it is the climax of a week of speeches, conferences, and receptions at the Nobel Prize Award ceremony in the Stockholm Concert Hall. That day, the winners receive a medal from the King of Sweden as well as a diploma and a cash award. Alfred Nobel was interested in social issues and was engaged in the peace movement. His acquaintance with Bertha von Suttner, who was later awarded in 1905 Nobel Peace Prize, influenced his own views on peace. Perhaps his peace interest was also because his inventions were used in warfare and assassination attempts. Peace was the fifth and final prize area that Nobel mentioned in his will. The Nobel Peace Prize is awarded by a committee of 5 persons who are chosen by Norwegian Storting Parliament of Norway. The committee decided that the Nobel Peace Prize for 2014 is to be awarded to Kailash Satyarthi and Malala Yousafzai for their struggle against the suppression of children and young people and for the right of children to education. The Nobel Committee regarded it as an important point for a Hindu and a Muslim, an Indian and a Pakistani to join in a common struggle for education and against extremism. The Nobel Committee said Satyarthi 60 has maintained the tradition of Mahatma Gandhi and headed various forms of peaceful protest, focusing on the grave exploitation of children for financial gain. Children must go to school and not be financially exploited. In the poor countries of the world, 60% of the present population is under 25 years of age. It is a prerequisite for peaceful global development that the rights of children and young people be respected. In conflict-ridden areas in particular, the violation of children leads to the continuation of violence from generation to generation. Showing great personal courage, Kailash Satyarthi, maintaining Gandhi's tradition, has headed various forms of protest and demonstrations, all peaceful, focusing on the grave exploitation of children for financial gain. He has also contributed to the development of important international conventions on children's rights. Despite her youth, Malala Yousafzai has already fought for several years for the right of girls to education and has shown by example that children and young people too can contribute to improving their own situations. This she has done under the most dangerous circumstances. Through her heroic struggle, she has become a leading spokesperson for girls' right to education. Satyarthi, an Indian child rights activist, was born in Vidisha, about 50 km from Bhopal. He studied engineering at the Government Engineering College, Vidisha. At the young age of 26, he gave up a promising career as an electrical engineering and dedicated his life to helping millions of children in India who are forced into slavery. He started Bachpan Bachao Andolan or Save the Childhood movement. Today, the non-profit organization Bachpan Bachao Andolan he founded is leading the movement to eliminate child trafficking and child labor in India. The organization has been working towards rescuing trafficked children for over 30 years. It receives information from a large network of volunteers. Kailash Satyarthi has saved tens of thousands of lives. He mounted raids on factories, often manned by armed guards, where children and often entire families were held captive as bonded workers. Kailash Satyarthi has survived numerous attacks on his life during his crusade to end child labor, the most recent being the attack on him and his colleagues while rescuing child slaves from garment shops in Delhi on 17 March 2011. After successfully freeing and rehabilitating thousands of children, he went on to build up a global movement against child labor. Today, Kailash heads up the Global March Against Child Labor, a conglomeration of 2,000 social purpose organizations and trade unions in 140 countries. Kailash says, if not now, then when? If not you, then who? If we are able to answer these fundamental questions, then perhaps we can wipe away the blot of human slavery. He has established that child labor is responsible for the perpetuation of poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, population explosion, and many other social evils. In an interview, The Times of India, Kailash Satyarthi had said, "My philosophy is that I am a friend of the children. I don't think anyone should see them as a pitiable subjects of charity. That is old people's rhetoric. People often relate childish behavior to stupidity or foolishness. This mindset needs to change. I want to live in the playing field where I can learn from the children. Something I can learn from children is transparency. They are innocent, straightforward, and have no biases. I relate children to simplicity, and I think that my friendship with children has a much deeper meaning than others." Child slavery is a crime against humanity. Humanity is itself at stake here. A lot of work still remains, but I will see the end of child labor in my lifetime, Satyarthi told the Associated Press at his office in New Delhi. If any child is a child slave in any part of the world, it is a blot on humanity. It is a disgrace. Satyarthi has also been honored by former US President Bill Clinton in Washington for featuring in Kerry Kennedy's book Speak Truth to Power, where his life and work featured among the top 50 human rights defenders in the world. Find meaning. Silly. Prerequisite. One of the first requirement. Violation. Treat someone with disrespect. Heroic. Brave. Activist. Person trying to bring about social change. Trafficking. Trading in something illegal. Volunteer, a person who offers to do something for free. Raids, surprise visits to arrest suspects or seize illegal goods. Manned, defended by. Captive, a person who is held prisoner. Bonded, not free. Crusade, fight for a cause. Rehabilitate, help back to normal life. Conglomeration, formed by the merger of fundamental, basic importance. Blot, mark. Perpetuation, continuation for a long time. Philosophy, belief, thinking. Charity, a person in need. Transparency, ability to see through clear. Bias, inclination for or against a person. At stake, at risk. Disgrace, loss of respect. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Do you have children in your neighborhood? Do you know about them? Take permission from your parents or guardian and fill in the boxes given below. Name, first child, second child, age, language, love to play, favorite book to read. Cross-curricular connect, learning by doing. Look at the letter writing format given below and write a formal letter to authorities addressing needs of children in your locality who are unprivileged. Sender's address, only address not name. 7 Club Road, Hyderabad. Date April 12, 20XX. Designation of receiver, the editor. Receiver's address, the Hyderabad Times, Post Office Box 350, Hyderabad 1. Salutation, Sir. Subject statement, subject, inadequate supply of water. Problem. Through the medium of your newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the civic authorities to the bad quality and inadequate supply of tap water in our locality. Effects of problem. It is unfortunate that the civic authorities do not care to provide citizens with even the basic amenities such as proper and adequate water supply. In our locality, water is supplied only for an hour in the morning. For the rest of the day, the taps remain dry. Also, the quality of water supplied is extremely poor. There have been some cases of diarrhea and dysentery. It is feared that these diseases may break out in an epidemic form if the quality of water is not improved. Desired future course of action. It is hoped that instead of ignoring the matter, the authorities concerned will take immediate steps to ensure adequate supply of good quality tap water in our locality. Subscription and signature. Yours faithfully, your name. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Find 8 describing words in the word crit. Do it yourself. Logical thinking. Think and answer. Child slavery is a crime against humanity. Do you think so? Why? Exercise time. Write the answer of the following questions. 1. Who decides the recipients of the Nobel Peace Prize? Answer. The Nobel Peace Prize is decided by a committee, Norwegian Storting Parliament of Norway. 2. Name the recipients of the Nobel Peace Prize for 2014. Answer. The committee decided that the Nobel Peace Prize for 2014 is to be awarded to Kailash Satyarthi and Malala Yousafzai. 3. Why were the two awarded the prize? Answer. They too were awarded by the Nobel Peace Prize for their struggle against the suppression of children and young people and for the rights of all children to education. Number 4. What role does Save the Childhood movement play? Answer. Fight against child slavery and labor since 1980 when he founded his movement, the Bachpan Bachao Andolan Save the Childhood movement, which has helped liberate more than 85,000 children in India from exploitation through education and rehabilitation. Number 5. If not now, then when? If not you, then who? Who said this and why? Answer. Kailash says, if not now, then when? If not you, then who? If we are able to answer these fundamental questions, then perhaps we can wipe away the bolt of human slavery. 6. Why was Satyarthi honored by President Bill Clinton? Answer. Satyarthi has been honored by former US President Bill Clinton in Washington for featuring in Kerry book Speak Truth to Power, where his life and work featured among the top 50 human rights defender in the world. Find their meanings. 1. Rhetoric, persuasive impact on language. 2. Explosion, a sudden and extremely violent bursting. 3. Defenders, a person who defends somebody or something, especially in sports. 4. Crusade, fight for a cause. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. 1. The sun rises from the east. 2. The doctor advised one to eat an apple every morning. 3. I haven't got any pictures in my bedroom. 4. I waited for few minutes and then tried to call him again. 5. How many books did you buy? Match the following. Column A, column B. 1. In hot water, in trouble. 2. In the nick of time, just in time. 3. In a fix, to be in deep trouble. 4. A wild goose chase, search for something that is not possible. 5. With flying colors, with good marks. 6. Out of the blue, from nowhere. 7. A silver lining, a ray of hope. Take the right options. 1. Number of fields in which Nobel Prize is awarded. 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Answer. 3, 6. 2. Satyarthi is a or an dash by profession. 1. Doctor. 2. Teacher. 3. Engineer. Answer 3. Engineer. 3. Bachpan Bachao Andolan was started by 1. Mahatma Gandhi, 2. Malala Yousafzai, 3. Kailash Satyarthi. Answer 3. Kailash Satyarthi. Conceptual understanding. Tell your story. Do a quick research on which Amendment Act talk about children's rights in India. Discuss given below children's rights. Communication, writing skills. Tick the correct option. 1. The Nobel Peace Prize is awarded by a committee chosen by 1. Parliament of Norway, 2. Parliament of Britain, 3. Parliament of Sweden. Answer 1. Parliament of Norway. 2. Kailash Satyarthi fought 1. For the right of girls to education, 2. Against the exploitation of children, 3. Against terrorism. Answer 2. Against the exploitation of children. B. Write a few lines about Nobel Peace Prize and Kailash Satyarthi. Reading skills. Read the explanation about Nobel Peace Prize given below and discuss it with your friend. The Nobel Prizes are 5 separated prizes that, according to Alfred Nobel's will of 1890, are awarded to those who during the preceding year have conferred the greatest benefit to mankind. Alfred Nobel was a Swedish chemist, engineer and industrialist, most famously known for the invention of dynamite. Vocabulary time. Fill in the blanks with the correct words given within the brackets. 1. We heard the sound of an elephant munching sugar cane. 2. We had to travel farther than the map indicated, so we decided to drive further. 3. Manas pulled the horse mane. Remember the main points. 4. Driver applied the brake. He tried to break the fused bulb. Life skills, self-awareness building. Read about sustainable development goals and suggest how you and your class can control.